Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, I will show you how to create a work schedule in Microsoft Excel. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to support our channel. Hope you enjoy watching the video. Let us get started. In first step, I would like to change font size and font type. Click into this corner, select all the cells. I would prefer Times New Roman. Font size 12. Okay. Click into the target cell and then type 1, hit enter. Back to the cell and from editing section, go to fill. Here we have series option. This pop-up window will open. As we make a schedule for December, we will write 31 as December is 31 days. And then okay. Now I want to make a column width smaller. Select all the cells from this corner. Put the cursor here. Okay, this is perfect for me. As you can see here, the series numbers going to 31. The 1st December falls on Monday, so I will type this day of the week on the row below. Move the cursor to the bottom right of the cell, hold and drag it till the end. Now I align all the data in the center. Select the data. Align center. Now it's time to enter employees information. Merge these two cells with the merge command. I use autofill to merge the cells below. Now I'm going to type column title with employee's name. Employee's name done. The next step is create a border. Select your table, go to border, all borders. The table is looking perfect. Now I'm going to enter working hours as well as weekend, in addition employee vacation, and sometimes go on sick leave. Now I'm entering employee working hours. All the employees are coming to the work at 8 a.m. I will write 8 a.m. Enter. Excel will automatically change its format. We also have to specify that the time that work ends. You can enter it manually or you can use formula. Let us together use formula. In our case, working hours are 8 hours per day plus 1 hour for lunch equal arrival time plus type time. How many hours per day? We have 9 hours, 9, comma, 0 minute, comma, 0 second, and then close the bracket, hit enter. As you can see, Excel automatically counts 9 hours. The work ends at 5 p.m. Align all your table in the center. All the employees have the same arrival time and leaving time. Now I can copy this to all the rest of the days. Let us see how I do it. All the employees have Saturday and Sunday as weekend. So in Saturday and Sunday, I would write WE is the abbreviation of weekend. Merge this. Okay. Copy this data to the next week. Since the last week, this employee have vacation. So I would type BA, abbreviation of vacation. Merge. Copy this to the rest of the cells. Now I'll fill the data for the rest of the employees. I will speed this process not to take your time. Now all our information have been done. It's time to care about the appearance of the table. Let us see how I do it. Now I will show you an important tip. Select your data. Navigate into conditional formatting. New rule. Format only calls that contain. I will choose specific text. Here type WE, which is the abbreviation of weekend. And then from format, we have fill. The color of weekend is red. Select red. OK. And then OK. As you can see, the weekends are highlighted with the red color. Now the same procedure for vacation. Select your table. Conditional formatting. New rule. Specific text. VA. OK. This is the same color of vacation. Now, even if you change, for example, this vacation to sick leave, automatically the color will change. So now it's time to calculate how many employees working per day. This procedure can be done manually, but it will take a lot of time. Excel will automatically count for us. Equal count. I'll select my range. Close the bracket. Divided by 2. We divide it into 2 because each employee have 2 cells. And then OK. Change the format of this cell. Here we have 3. As you can see, 3 employees. Drag this to the rest of the cells. Now everything is done. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us.